Question regarding mental disorder. First is panic attack, anxiety, stress and anger, schizophrenia, high functioning, autistic spectrum disorder. I will take one by one. Panic attack is due to right side problem, due to anxiety, stress and anger. In this case, we have to clear our right side, do futso, say Hanuman Chalisa and Ma Saraswati, Hanuman Mantra, then raise left to right, right. Then again is anxiety. It is all due to right Swadhisthana, too much thinking. That also you can do futso, say Hanuman Chalisa and put left to right. Stress and anger. So again, you have to clear your right Swadhisthana and pray to Mother, please take away all my excess heat and anger through the sky. Please clear your Agya Chakra with candle. You can say Ganesha Sarvshisha if you are thoughtless, and then you can connect with the Sastrara. Anger also comes when your Akadash Rudra catches. Please clear your Akadash Rudra. Take the 11 name of Ekadash Rudra, and that will make you thoughtless. Next is schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is the result of some possession. It's a left side problem. A fall due to falling of false tantric guru. That sometimes you can go mad. So you clear your left side with 3 candle treatment. And thinking too much, fast thinking, it can make you epilepsy. It make you to drug addicted. For that, Shiv Mataji has recommended left hand to altar and keep right hand to the fire. Next is high functioning autistic spectrum disorder. So this is also a right side problem. So that you can clear your right side. Use your ice pack, yeah, and say foot soap 2-3 times. That will clear. Yes. Next category.
Next category.
Yeah, not. Who is
9.
the
Dr. Bandek.
which take
Autoimmune system. Yashmataji.
Yes, we can hear you. Yes.
Okay. Next category is autoimmune and nervous system problems. So autoimmune problems means that shaking of hands, then thyroid problems. It is beyond the control. We cannot control it ourselves because these problems are created because of neurology problem. So this is neurologic problems are there, and because of that, that shaking hands or Parkinson, like that, thyroid problems, and improve loss of memory and energy due to Parkinson. Then fibromyalgia and Hashimoto hypothyroidism. So these all problems are autoimmune. So you have to do meditation nicely with thoughtlessness. You should not think more in meditation. Meditation means thoughtlessness. You have to become thoughtless, and you can cure yourself with your food. So you have to eat more proteins, just like almonds, pistachio, but you put it in, you have to soak it in water night, and thereafter you peel the dry fruits and you can take it. Okay, it is good for increase your neurologic problem. Then oil massage, just I recommend you that mustard oil and kerosene have to mix together, and you do massage to your oil. Then sometimes our body is shaking because of some false guru problems. Muladhara, you have to clear your Muladhara also. Muladhara, there is a Ganesha, and on back Agya, there is a Mahaganesha. That's why you have to pray to Ganesha, you meditate on your Muladhara as well as Agya, back Agya. Back Agya, you have to take Mahaganesha's Bija mantra on back Agya, then candling with candle, and rising sun rays on back Agya. Then thyroid problem. So left side problem, left thyroid is there. It is a hypothyroidism, and right thyroid is a hyperthyroidism. So hyperthyroidism is a right side problem, and hypothyroidism is a left side problem. So if you have hypothyroidism, you have to take Vishnu Maya's names on left Vishuddhi, as well as give massage to your left Vishuddhi, and don't feel guilty. Just pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, here I surrender all my guilt at your divine lotus feet. Take out all the guilt within me and enlighten my left Vishuddhi. Okay, and don't become emotionally disturbed. If you have hyperthyroidism, then you should not react. Try to control your anger. Okay, you should not react. Because of reactions, these problem create hyperthyroidism. So you can give ice massage also on your right Vishuddhi. So I think this autoimmune is covered. Now next category, physical deformities.
Hello,
Yes.
can you listen? Can you listen me, Weber?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Question regarding physical deformity, causes and cures for scoliosis. So this is something when your spine is disturbed. When it's a right side problem, right? When your spine is just curvature is affected, mean abnormal lateral curvature of the spine. After body, it's all affect the body hormone and digestive system. You can clear your void, right heart, say Ram covered, Devi covered, both hands on Swadhisthana, say Ganesha Sarvashisham, clear your Vishuddhi and Agya and Akadish Rudra. So this is the problem with most of the ladies who are going to be menopause problem. And then the hormones are disturbed, and then it's due to lack of your osteoporosis starts, and this problem comes. You can massage this your spine with kerosene oil. You can mix mustard oil, vibrate it, and then massage it well. So next is hiatus hernia. Hiatus hernia is a stomach when your part of your stomach pushes up through the diaphragm muscle. Part of stomach pushes into your chest cavity, and acidity, you feel acidity. Control, this is controlled by liver diet. So due to liver, this thing happen. Clear your void, Nabi, taking the mantra Ekuleshwari Shachat and Kalatri Shachat. If it is not cured, then your intestine is also affected. So it is better take the mantra of Shri Kuleshwari, do foot soap and Kal Ratri mantra. You can use ice pack on your liver also, and don't take spicy food as told in liver diet. You should take liver diet that will cure you. Next category.
Skin and dandruff problems. Next category, skin and dandruff problems.
Who is checking?
Myself, Dr. Bandekar.
Okay.
Skin and dandruff problems.
Yes, the slide is on for this.
Okay. So, skin and dandruff problems, itching skin. So, this problem is also right side problem. If you are thinking so much, you are taking so much stress, then you have these itching problems. Melasma, then hair fall and dots on skin, hereditary dandruff, itching, dry skin. So you, hair fall, you have to put oil in your skin, but just like with your fingertips, you give massage to your scalp with oil, and you have to use almond oil or coconut oil. Coconut oil is a good, and that's why you give massage to your head with coconut oil. And actually you can do before taking wash, you do massage, to try to do massage twice in a week at least to your full body. And if you use ghee massage, it will help you. Give ghee massage to your full body before taking wash, and then you wash it. Then you will realize that my itching is reducing. Okay, and but don't give ghee massage to your scalp. Then you will have hair fall. So if there is a dandruff and hair fall, so you just take coconut oil, put some drops of lemon in it and camphor, and give massage to your scalp. So you have to give this massage 2-3 times in a week, not every day. But if you don't have any time, so at least before Sunday, Saturday night, you take massage with coconut oil with lemon and camphor, and just with your fingertips. Don't rub your scalp, don't rub your hair, but with fingertips only you give massage. And soak some methi seeds and in yogurt, and you if you apply yogurt and after 1.5 hour you can wash your head, it will also good for dandruff. So give ice pack on your liver and write swadhisthana, and also write agya. You have to put ice, so it will help you to cool down your stress, and this hair fall will go away, dandruff will go away, and your skin problem also. Don't eat dry fruit more. Okay, so because of more dry fruit, this problem also create. So next category.
Yes, Mataji. It is all collected in one, that is the small children problem. Children are not having any problem. We have to, the parents should take care of their own balance state. Whatever is in the attention, it goes, it reflects to the children. If a mother is not in the balance state, getting angry, getting panic, automatically that heat which is created from the mother, the child's pain, and the child might be hyperactive or some weird problem, behavioral problems we can see in the children. That is all coming from the parents, especially the mother. So the mother has to be careful, keeping balance, do regular meditation, do foot soak. Don't avoid the foot soaking, because the foot soaking is very important. This foot soaking is actually helping to keep the child balanced. Take the child to everywhere in programs of Sahaja Yoga, collective centers, collective programs, so that the mother, we are in a balanced state, automatically the child comes into balanced state. But still there are some problems with children, like they are having the asthma in childhood, having eczema in childhood, have diarrhea or constipation in childhood. So that is all we can take care with the keeping hand on the child's part, body part, and we have to, the mother has to take the mantras like Ganesha Shirsha or Devi Kavach or Rama Kavach. The apply coconut oil is very soothing, or Shri Mataji recommend the Kailash Jivan for the eczema if there is some rashes like nappy rash or some eczema problem. This is actually the Kailash Jivan is very cooling. So at the time of at the beginning of this eczema, started doing this application. For the vaccination, there are so many things, so many controversies, but I would like to read what Shri Mataji said about it. So we have to use our discretion and see the vibrations, how it will go. So children's vaccination. So this is the one experience that a mother did not want to vaccinate her child because she had faith in homeopathy. Then Shri Mataji said that she had to vaccinate, then vaccinate them against everything because the diseases are negativities and children must be protected against them. So all the children who had not been vaccinated immediately went for vaccination. That is one experience get shared. For the vaccinations, he said that Shri Mataji has advised us to get the child vaccinated against childhood diseases, as this helps to strengthen them against negativity. If you feel that the child has been a little bit affected on vibrations by the vaccination, you can work on the left swadhisthana with the candle, with a candle. This is the thing. And one another thing, but in Sahaja Yoga, it is not symptomatic. It is not from outside to treat, but from inside, in a sense that when the Kundalini rises, she passes through the center, especially the center which we call the center of heart. Center heart is the center which create antibodies till the age of 12 years. So, or so, and then these antibodies are distributed in the whole body. Whenever you are afraid, or when there is a problem, there is an attack from outside, then this sternum bone starts pulsating, and it's a remote control and convey the danger to these antibodies. But there you challenge the antibodies all the time. Because when this sentence is you challenge the antibodies all the time, that means when we are vaccinating, then we are challenging the antibodies all the time. It's like giving a vaccination sort of things. When you challenge the antibodies, afterwards they get tired, so that also system is not all right. Now, instead of that, you must nourish the antibodies. That's what is done through Sahaja Yoga. They can become very strong, active. So many antibodies are killed by this. But with Sahaja Yoga, they not only are nourished, but they live very long, and they have greater sense to fight the disease. In both this system, there no talk of spirit at all. It doesn't deal only with your physical side. Physical is not everything. I have met people who are very healthy people. They have come to me saying that, Mother, we want peace. Srimataji Nirmala Devi. This is, you can see this reference, 12th of February 1992, to give this information. So the best part, vaccination for the childhood vaccination, Srimataji says we have to give. And if there is some allergies out of vaccination, we have to clear the left Swadhisthana left channel so that we can prevent from the side effect of this vaccine. But she recommend in the childhood we can give, but for adult we have to see the vibrations, we have to use the discretion, because when we are meditating, we are stronger our antibodies in the body. So we have to keep faith on self, keeping ourselves balanced, and that is act as a vaccination. Nowadays with the corona, we have to be very strong. We have to keep our set heart strong, and we have to have the faith. I'm a Sahaj Yogi, and my Kundalini is awakened. Kundalini, my mother is taking care of my whole system. So nothing will affect us. So this is the part of discretion we have to use as a yogi. Thank you. Jai Mataji, next slide, please.
Okay, next category is related to breast and ladies problem. That is the breast lumps, breast cancer, papilloma virus. So breast lump and breast cancer, this is also because of insecurity, feeling insecurity within you. So this problem create. So why you are feeling insecure? Shri Mataji is there in the form of Shri Jagadamba, in the form of Shri Durga, with all the weapons in her hands. So we should not afraid. So you should not feel insecure. If there is an insecurity and you have this problem, so you have to put your right hand over there and say Devi Kavach on center heart and left hand on Rama Kavach, left hand on right heart and say Rama Kavach or Sri Rama's 108 names on right heart. Okay, so this Devi Kavach and Rama Kavach or Rama's names will help you, but you have to pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please take out all the fear within me, all the insecurity within me. You are my protection. Please protect me with your all the weapons. And do Shubit for fear within you. Okay. And papilloma virus. So this virus also left side problem, and sometimes it create because of sexual contact also, because this is a contact virus. So you have to clear your left side, Muladhara, and 4 times Ganesh Atharva Shirsha on Muladhara, both the hands on Mother Earth. Take Ganesha's names. And if you are going to some tantrika or mantrika, So I don't know, because of that your void also disturb and this problem creates. So you have to you have to clear your void with Adiguru Dattatraya's names in foot soak water, as well as um, take camphor, ajwain camphor to your to clean your left channel, and do matka treatment. Then hot flushes during menopause. So hot flushes during menopause is a common. So you have to do foot soak 3-4 times in a day. Vitamin D deficiency. You can take D deficiency capsules or tablets. Otherwise, some quantity of fish. Fish also you will give D vitamin. You have to go in sun. So if you see take sun rays on your body, then you will get vitamin D. And polycystic ovaries. This problem create because of false guru. If you are going some false gurus or following some false gurus before also, so you have to do shubit for all the problem creates in my body from false guru. So write down the false guru's name and do shubit. Okay. Even nowadays, lots of persons have this void problem, because now YouTube, lots of tantric and mantric arrived because of getting money, and they are giving some suggestions. If you want to become prosper, do this, do that. So don't go with this false knowledge. Okay, then your void become disturbed. Even don't worship any other else except Shri Mataji. Only Shri Mataji permitted us to worship the Swayambhu. Mother Earth creates them. Okay, so don't do any statues. Don't worship any statue also. And for this problem, PCOD or fibroid, you have to take ajwain dhuni to Muladhara. Then this will go away, or the size will reduce. And right hand on center Swadhisthana and say Ganesh Atharva Shirsha over there. And please pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, here I surrender my physical problems at your divine lotus feet in the form of Shri Dhanvantari. Please help me. Okay, and Shri Mataji will help you. Shri Mataji told, no any disease is there which is not cure with Sahaj Yoga treatments. So try to do this thing, then you will feel better. Okay, now we will go to next category.